Hey everyone, welcome back. If you have a promo code and want to save money on Shein, here's how to apply it. First, what you're going to do is add the items you want on your cart. Now, once you're done choosing the item that you want to add, that you want to purchase, you're going to go ahead and go to your cart, and then what you're going to do is look for the promo code section or coupon field, then enter your promo code exactly as provided and apply it. Make sure the discount is reflected in the total price before completing payment. Check its expiring date and or uses conditions, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.